What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how I got to scrape the deck on the zero turn. I mowed my grass over the weekend. It was a little wet, so I got to get that scraped out. I did cut a yard today, which I did not record, and the mower cut fine, but you got to do your maintenance. So I'm gonna get the deck scraped, and I've got a sharp set of blades for this mower, but I'm gonna show you guys how I sharpen the blades because I want to have the set that comes off ready to go for when I gotta change the blades again in case I'm in a hurry for some reason. And then also on the 28 I will also do that process. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start first by unstrapping the mower. Alright, I'm gonna move you guys this way. Okay. Try this again. Okay, I'll grab a jack stand. That's there. Okay, I need to go grab my scraper real quick. Alright, so this mower is a 13/16. I think you guys can see that right there, 13/16. That's what this one is. I'm sure this is the same as the laser the deck is, so it should be the same for the lasers. Toro's probably the same. Other brands, I'm not sure, but you know, this is mine. What I'm also going to do, put a tarp down underneath, so that way when we scrape the deck, the shit goes on the tarp, the grass clippings go on the tarp, instead of all over the ground. Hopefully you guys will be able to see there. Okay, and we're gonna zip these blades off. Helps if you make sure you go the right way. Yeah, I have some chunks out of these blades. A couple of spots. They're due. But here. Alright. So I pretty much just use a old putty knife to scrape my deck with. Works for me. I know Ballard has a scraper more or less specific for cleaning decks, but I don't really see the need for it. At least not right now. But this deck's not too bad. So we'll get this. Hope I'm not in your guys' way, but most of this is probably from my own yard over the weekend. My yard was a little tall. At least my front field anyways. My backyard where my dog yard I'm going to call it, I guess. That has been cut 3 times already. I'm surprised I got some build up along here. Alrighty. Ouch. Ouch. Tight quarters. Makes it a little difficult. Looks like the discharge side here is the worst, believe it or not. Probably from when you run with the shoe block, it builds it up. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, get this and then I think we'll be done. I thought I sharpened these blades. They do not feel sharp at all. So I must not have actually sharpened these. So, and there's some chips and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and sharpen these as well as the other ones. Let me get the 28 over here as well. Take those off so I can do all the blades at the same time. So bear with me and I'll bring that over here. Actually, I'll just take you guys with me. How's that sound? Yeah, because I can't even tell you the last time I sharpened the blades on this one. Grab another jack stand real quick. Let's clean this off. There you go, guys. Alright. Another jack stand down here. Lift this up. Pardon me. Okay. Put my board down. Let's see, what does it look like underneath? Oh my. I ran the water through this one. This one needs to be scraped as well. Alright, well let me set you guys down and find the right thing for this socket, that is. See, this one has the water port, but I don't use it probably as often as I guess I should. Yeah, that was a little tight on there. Actually, this blade, I'm going to go ahead and sharpen it anyways. Yeah, it needs it. This one off, then we'll scrape it out. Might have to get some fluid film to put on that. Holy moly. Yeah, this is terrible. Some of this is left over from last year too, I'm pretty sure. And this right here just goes to show you the importance of scraping your decks and keeping them clean. If I would do this more often with the water port, I don't even use this very much. This might actually be even mostly just for my yard, but still, it goes to show you that you need to keep your decks clean. And I'll bet you this thing's going to end up cutting much better. But I also don't know how much longer I'm going to be using this, because I might possibly have something in store for you guys. We will have to see. Yeah, I wasn't planning on having to scrape this one, but yeah, the decks will get a little rusty too, so I guess that means I should probably do this more often. I don't know, I might even run the water port on this. Sharpen the blades, put the blades on. Because in order to use the water port, you obviously have to have the blades on to get your suction. Maybe the water will help get all this extra shit. And then I'll probably spray it with some fluid film. Yep, just the importance of keeping your stuff clean. Okay, this is my workbench, my blade sharpening bench. Yeah, the back porch. Right by the door, because inside the door I have a plug, so that's convenient. Might be able to see, this is where I balance them. So I'm using 120 grit flat disc on my angle grinder to sharpen my blades. So I'm going to use you guys as a workbench as well. these are somewhat sharp. They're just not as sharp as I would like them. So I'm just going to hit them again. So anyways, and then I take this welding clamp and basically just clamp the blade to the rail here, sharpen away. Sometimes what you have to do is run, show you real quick, sometimes what you have to do is run underneath the blade. I just don't, I think I might not have a good angle or something. It's still dull, so I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay, that's much better. My flex disc might also be wearing out too. I tend to use the very edge of it. Okay. That one's, for the most part, balanced. Ouch. You guys can see. Need to take a little bit more off on this side because as you can see, it's this way. So. Alright, I'd say that's pretty decent. Works for me. That's one done. Alright, now, these are a little more tricky because these are the mulching blades. You know how they do this, so these are a little bit harder to sharpen, but it's doable. I doubt you can, yeah, these you can't really do, so anyway, that would be good. That one. Wait a minute, you know what's silly? I think these are the ones. Yeah, these are right here. These are the ones that I wanted to put on the mower, but they're not sharp, so. Alright, well, I'll just put these back on and resharpen those. I thought I remember sharpening those other ones, but they don't seem to be so sharp, but whatever. I'll just resharpen them and keep those for next time instead. So, let's get you guys down so maybe you can see what's going on. Make sure the blades go on the correct way, which that's not correct. That is. My goodness, I'm having way too much trouble tonight for some reason. Okay, let's try this again. That's that one. Now let's go over here. Oh boy, need to change the socket. I swear I'm like a newbie, and I'm really not. Okay, let's try again. Alright guys, well, I want to thank you all for watching. Sorry if I made this look more complicated than it really is. It's really not that bad. I'm just having trouble tonight apparently. I'm probably hungry, ready for dinner. So, as always, I want to thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button below. If you haven't already, subscribe. Please leave us a comment. Let us know your thoughts below. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.